using the Insta360 Go 2. And this was not provided by Insta, like all the other 1,000 YouTubers. I got this one myself. Sold me Hero 8 and brought this. And I must admit, it seems really good. Quite sure what the footage is like, but we'll find out together later when I put it on the computer. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to walk up here anyway.
It's a ball and that's why.
Yeah, the path's up here. Come on. Keep on. No, it didn't. It turned in by the car park. Sunshine. Hello. Hello. Hello, little rat. These bloody glasses. What are you doing, Bon? What are you doing, Bon?
Oh, you sit in the front, doesn't it?
Keep me safe until morning comes. Keep me close up tight in your hands. I don't feel like I belong elsewhere. Now there's a place
Insta360 Go 2 and its little charger case with its mini tripod. Got that from a walk with the dog, testing it out. We'll put the footage together in a bit. How does this footage look? How does it come out? Obviously it's filming in 2.7K. It is 2K, half 4K obviously. It's obviously twice the clarity of the original Insta360 Go, which I owned before. I used a fair bit. So yeah, it's been really interesting. I've not been filming, I think, in Pro. Today I've only been filming in Standard, so the stabilisation I don't think is as good. I think you can alter that in the app afterwards. I'm not doing a full review on it because there's 100 on the web already. So there's actually no point in doing a review. So hopefully see what it sounds like. Got a cutout for the mic while it's inside this little stand. If I just get the GoPro. As you can see, I'm just filming at the moment with the Insta360 Go. It's got a little cutout at the top for the mic. Got your controls on the front. It's flickering because of the camera. What you can actually do on here, if I stop it a sec, you can actually alter the modes. So I can go video, photo, pro video, time shift, time lapse, HDR video, slow motion, settings, back to video. And then when you press record, so you can take this out of the holder. You can see it's got a little tripod on. You can take it out of the holder and use this as a remote then. It's got a 1/4 inch tripod thread and a USB, micro USB-C charging port on the back. Legs just fold in like so. It's charging it at the moment. Put that there. We just compare. Right, so at the moment I'm recording 4K 30 frames a second on the GoPro, and I'm filming in obviously the 2K on the Insta360 Go 2. See what it comes out like. Testing sound on GoPro, testing 1, 2, 3. Testing sound on the Insta, testing 1, 2, 3. It just sits there, like so. There you go. Let's finish the video off. Right, so just finishing off using the Insta. Obviously, hope you're all staying safe. We're getting closer and closer. I had my vaccine last Thursday, so a bit sore on my arm. I was quite ill the first night actually. I had like a fever, really bad headache. Felt a bit rough the second night, feel fine now. I've had the Oxford AstraZeneca one. And it's a gorgeous evening. It is now officially spring. There's a chill in the air. Easter in a couple of weeks' time. See what exploits we can get up to then, what we're allowed to do. And obviously, until then, all I can say to all our viewers, as always, stay safe. See you soon.